Okay, let me introduce the panel of the machine. Okay, first you need to push the start button so that the machine can rise and drop. Okay, otherwise the switch will not working. And this is the one hand. You can see the welding and the rising and the welding work at one hand. Let me set the time to 0 to check the welding. Okay, this is one hand. Okay, emergency stop. This is alarm message. Okay. Okay, let's check the two hands. This is two hands. Okay, this is in this model. This button will not working by one hand. So let's push by two hands. Okay, this is one hand and two hands. Okay, this is the recipes. Different products, from 1 to 19 line. You can read when you touch 2. When you input 2, then you push the read button. Then all the data will be the number 2. And when you finish the setting of the data, you need to remember to save the data. Then it will working. Okay, let's check the welding. Right now the welding power is 1.3. And the max power is 1.8, and this power is the indicated power. Okay, let's check the welding of the start. Okay, right now let's set the weld time and 5 seconds. Okay, then okay. Okay, this is the welding at 1.3 ampere. Okay, how to change the welding power is from here. But to remember, this is 1.3 ampere. When you need to change to 1.2 ampere, then this light is not gray. You need to machine it to set to 1.2. You need to set the model by 2 pushes like this. Okay, 这样子。Okay. The first welding is to set the model and set the ampere. This light is still not gray. Then you need to push the button again. You can see the ampere reach 1.2. When the light is green, that means motor field set is done. You can start the welding. Okay, let's start the welding at 1.2 ampere. Okay, this is 1.2 ampere. Okay, this weld. Okay, let's check. Okay, this one is the welding and 1.2 ampere. This is the welding and 1.3 welding. Okay, okay, thank you. That's all.